Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to see how to create depreciation schedules for the Modified Accelerated Cost Recovery System, or MACRS. This is a depreciation method used in the US, and it's pretty straightforward to calculate the schedules, as the IRS in the US already assigns to you the depreciation percentages for each one of the years. Let's see how that works. So to calculate the modified accelerated cost recovery system, the only thing you need to define is what is a schedule we're going to use to calculate it. And as you can see here, there are a few schedules we can work with. 3 years, 5 years, 7 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. And I still believe there are more years, 39 years or something like this. But that doesn't really matter. What matters is that for each one of the years, the IRS assigns a percentage value that you can depreciate your asset. Let's go to the 3 years schedule. As you can see in here, we can depreciate the asset using these percentages in here. 33.33% for year 1, 44.45% for year 2, 14.81% for year 3, and 7.41% for year 4. As you can see here, when you add all these numbers together, you get a 100% sum. And you may be asking, why do you depreciate the asset on year 4? That's essentially because in this particular table here, it is considered that for year 1, the asset starts its depreciation during the second half of the year. Therefore, your asset will have some value on the first half of year 4. And the same happens for all the other schedules. As you can see here, for year 5, we are still depreciating a little bit on year 6, and for a 10 years schedule, we still depreciate on year 11. So that's it. And then to calculate your depreciation, the only thing you have to do is to multiply depreciable value by the percentage you're given on the table. That's it. Just copy and paste everything across, and you're going to be able to calculate the depreciation amount for each one of these schedules. Nothing more than it. So that's it for today, folks. I hope you have enjoyed. Please subscribe to the channel and give a thumbs up if you learned anything from today's video. See you later.